Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. It is about like 10 o'clock. I just got done editing a video that I did yesterday. It's a vlog with me and Caleb. Just, mess around in Target. Basically, spending time with us. You guys are spending time with us. I'm off for work today. It is Wednesday, and I just want to chill for the whole entire day. I do have to go to the bank, though. What is that? It's like green. Is that hair dye? I think it's hair dye. I have to go to the bank. I'll do that later though. I really just want to chill in my apartment all day because I don't really get to do that because I'm either at work, then when I get home from work, and then I go out and do something with Caleb because we have a little to no time to do anything. So yeah, I've never been in here all day. Like the whole entire day. So that is what I'm doing today. A lot of you guys been asking to see me cook, cook with me's and stuff like that. So you'll be getting that in this vlog. In my hair. Oh, I need a retwist. I'm gonna just put some gel on it. Look at these roots, boy. I'm gonna put some gel on it and call it a day. Because retwisting it today is not on the agenda. But yeah, I'm very hungry. I need to eat some breakfast, so let's go make that. I've been watching Jane the Virgin again. I'm pretty late in the seasons, I think. If it will load, hello. I think I'm on season 3, episode 7. This show is so good, man. But yeah, I'm just gonna watch this. Welcome to my kitchen. So, I have waffles. I'm gonna make some blueberry waffles. I'm gonna make some hash browns and some fruit. I have apples and the little baby oranges. I think I wanna have tea. So, I'm obviously not a tea person, but I bought this tea. I tried it before. I think it's the same kind that my boyfriend gave me. I think it's the same kind Caleb gave me, I'm not sure. But the peach was really good. I'm not a tea person because all tea tastes gross to me, but this one isn't too bad. So I think I might make some of this also. So I'm just put my oil in there. I'm like so hungry right now. Woo. Usually I don't have time to be making hash browns like before work. I'm gonna turn the heat on medium. But usually I don't have time to be making hash browns in the morning because I'll be waking up at 7:30 and I gotta be at work ooh, that's too much. I gotta be at work at 8:30. I kind of taste good cold. So like waffles is like the only thing really I can make. Anyway, yeah, so gonna pour some of that in. I don't want that much. That's a good amount. Yeah. I have some fruit. I have apples and these oranges. Oh, I want to make some tea. Let that heat up. Get it all flat. I like my hash browns like crispy. I don't like them soft, so I kind of burn them a bit. But we're gonna make some tea. Got my mug. How do I do this? Pour boiled water. Can I just I don't gotta boil water. Can I just warm up water in the microwave? Right? I should probably use bottled water. Because that water is gonna taste gross. Boil water in the microwave instead of on the stove. I feel like that'll take too long. What should I put it on? 3 minutes? I don't know, but while that's boiling up, let's open this. They don't have the string on it. I wanted to do the little whack. Do I put both of them? Do I rip them? I rip them. Okay. So this is what that looks like. So I'm just gonna put that in here like that. I'm gonna wait till my water boils. Let's take this out. Pour it in. This is how you do it, right? Smells good. Pour. It smells so freaking good. Okay, do I need a spoon? Where's the spoon? Spoon! It looks so good. Look at that. Y'all can't see it. I don't want to spill it. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that sit. Do I let it sit or can I drink it right away? I want to become a tea person. It's time to adult up. I want to become a. I was hot. I want to become a tea person. I really do. Oh, sugar. Sugar. I knew something was missing. Put some sugar in there. Ooh. Is that enough? Too much? I like my stuff sweet, boy. Let's see. Better. Okay, yep, that's it. All right. I just need a bunch of sugar. The hashies are hashing. We can season them now. So these are the seasoning I use. Garlic powder, smoked paprika, and onion salt. These are my favorite seasonings, my holy grail. This is all that I need. All that I need. I don't need much seasonings in my stuff. I don't care for them. I'm eating a hearty breakfast, bro. Hearty breakfast. All right, so my hashies are about done. Like I said, they cook fast. That's what they look like. They cook fast. And I just started my waffles, which will cook very fast. Okay, I got my breakfast. So I got my waffles, hashies. I got my fruit sitting over here. And I got my tea. Okay, it's drinkable now because it's cooled down. But I gotta put hot sauce on my hashies because it just tastes better like that. It really does. Okay. So, yeah, this is my breakfast. I don't know. It's really good. I don't usually get to eat breakfast like this. Actually get full. I just don't have time. I hate not having time. It's annoying. But so I'm gonna just watch Jane the Virgin and just chill out, man. That I kind of rested for a bit, for like 3 hours. It's time for me to get myself together and actually do things that I've been meaning to do. Like I need to clean up this place, vacuum and things like that. I really don't want to, but I have to. I'm gonna turn on some music because this is what I need to wake me up right now. And I'm gonna open up these blinds just a little bit because I need this right now. Okay, it looks better in here. Now I just forgot that I have to do homework. Sadly, I have to, homework sucks. But I have to do homework, so I'm gonna do that real quick. And actually get ready so I can go to the bank. Cause the bank closes at 5 and it's like 2 o'clock, so. So I just got done doing some homework. Now I'm about to actually take care of myself. I am decrustified. Yeah, I already went to the bank. I just came back from the bank. My drive to the bank was so annoying. Cause on the road that I go down, the bank is like 5 minutes from me, if that. But anyway, the road that I go down is a one-way. One way going this way, one way going this way. And it was doing construction work, so it was all backed up, right? So I was like, I'm not waiting in this. I'm not waiting in this. So I turned into some neighborhood, got out somehow, like another way. I don't know, I just kept driving. And I knew another way to go. So I did that, I went, I got my check, whatever, everything's done. And I'm back home now, I'm so happy. I also was about to take my freaking gummies. So I was about to take my Ollie, this is a girly talk, girl talk. I was about to take my gummies, then I realized I didn't have any more. This is the Ollie Undeniable Beauty Hair, Skin, and Nails. This is the only one that doesn't make me break out, you know, because most of these biotin thingies, you make me break out to death. This is the only one. Does it work? I'm not sure. I don't know, but I take them. It works on my nails. I know that because my nails have been stronger. It works on my nails, but besides the hair and skin, girly, I don't know. It's about like 5-ish. It's getting late. And I think I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the day, probably play some PS5, watch some TV. You know, I'm gonna chill because like I said, I'm not doing anything else, so. And I also wanted to update you guys on my locks, on my micro lock extensions. I'm almost a year, girl, please. I'm almost a month. In like a couple more days, I think the 16th, that'll be a month. But they're holding up pretty good. They haven't came out or anything like that, you know. And they still look really good. I dyed it, I washed it. So they look really good still. They're all curly and like kind of weird right now because I twisted them up the night before. And also I might start doing this again. So in my old videos, I used to say a word, like I used to say car. And then I'll be like, if you made it to the end of this video, then comment down below car. You know what I mean? And then everybody who didn't make it to the end were so confused. So I think I want to start that again. So the new word is Sonic. Come here, Sonic. Oh, he's too far. Comment down below Sonic if you made it to the end so I know you're a real one. So I'm going to end this here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Peace.